The Lazy Girl's Guide to Manifesting. Daily Rituals That Actually Work. Welcome to the Lazy Girl's Guide to Manifesting. Effortless Wealth and Love. Daily Rituals That Actually Work. This audiobook is for the woman who wants more but doesn't want to burn herself out trying to get it. Whether you're juggling kids, meetings, or just trying to keep your plants alive, this is your permission slip to manifest the life you want without adding more stress to your plate. Because here's the truth. You don't need a 5-hour morning routine or a Himalayan retreat to attract abundance. You need lazy rituals that work, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. Chapter 1. Why lazy works. Let's clear something up. Lazy doesn't mean unworthy or unmotivated. It means smart, efficient, energy conscious. Manifestation doesn't have to be hard. The more ease you bring into it, the faster it flows. That's the paradox of the universe. It responds to your energy, not your effort. When you're constantly trying, grinding, and forcing things to happen, you send out the vibe of lack. But when you lean back and trust, watch the magic unfold. This guide will show you exactly how to do less while receiving more. Chapter 2. The Real Blocks and How to Unblock Them. Let's get real. Most of us aren't failing to manifest because we're lazy. We're stuck because of scarcity mindset, like I can't afford this or it'll never happen for me. Procrastination masked as perfectionism. Limiting beliefs you didn't even choose, like rich people are selfish or love is for lucky people. These mental loops keep you replaying the same movie. It's like trying to watch Netflix with a scratched DVD. You've got to clean the lens, your thoughts, before the picture gets clear. And guess what? You don't need therapy marathons or 3-hour shadow work to do it. You just need awareness and a few rituals you can do in your robe. Chapter 3. Daily Lazy Rituals That Work. Here are 7 lazy but powerful rituals to start attracting wealth and love with ease. Ritual 1. The sigh and switch. When a negative thought shows up, pause, take a deep sigh, and say, "But what if it works out?" That one sentence interrupts fear and opens the door to possibility. It's a tiny habit with massive energy-shifting power. Ritual 2. The 2-minute mental movie. Close your eyes for 2 minutes before bed and imagine a scene from your dream life as if it already happened. Feel the sheets in your new apartment. Picture that partner reaching for your hand. No trying, just playing pretend. Visualization activates the brain's reticular activating system, which helps your mind seek out matching opportunities. And yes, it works, even if you're half asleep. Ritual 3. The $5 Anchor Abundance. Put $5 in your pocket or purse and label it your abundance reminder. Every time you feel broke, touch it and say, "There's more where that came from." This tiny physical cue builds a wealth identity without needing a raise or a savings app. Ritual 4. Lazy Mirror Love. When brushing your teeth, say one kind thing to your reflection, even if it's awkward. Start with, "We're doing the best we can, and that's enough." Self-love is magnetic energy. You attract what you reflect. Ritual 5. The half affirmation. Feeling like full-on affirmations are too much? Try this. "I'm open to the idea that I can receive love easily." This doesn't fight your current belief. It bridges it. And that's more believable, which means it works better. Ritual 6. Manifesting in motion. On your next walk, laundry fold, or dishwash session, repeat this out loud. "Life supports me. Everything is always working out for me." Lazy Girl Multitasking, Reprogramming Edition. Ritual 7. The Lazy Girl List. Every night, write down just one thing you're grateful for and one thing you desire. No pressure, no formatting, just feel it as you write. Chapter 4. A Mini Story. How Kate Manifested 5K and a Text. Kate, a freelance designer in Atlanta, was at a standstill. Clients ghosted, her love life was a desert. She found this exact ritual list on a podcast and decided to give it a try for 7 days. She started doing the mental movie every night. Then, one day, she imagined seeing $5,000 hit her PayPal and hearing from her ex just to get closure. Guess what? 3 days later, a long-lost client popped up with a 5K design project. That same evening, a "Hey, I was thinking about you" text lit up her phone. Coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe energy really does respond to ease. Chapter 5. Why it works without the fluff. We won't tell you to align your chakras, burn sage, or write 555 affirmations, unless you want to. But here's what these rituals do. Train your brain to expect good things. Disrupt your autopilot patterns. Align your thoughts and feelings with receiving, not resisting. And that's the law of attraction in real life, minus the fluff. Chapter 6. When doubt shows up. Doubt isn't a sign to stop. It's a sign that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. Here's what to do when it creeps in. Breathe. Revisit your mental movie. Say out loud, "I'm allowed to receive even before I believe." Progress, not perfection. Chapter 7. The Energy of Ease. Let this be your reminder. You don't have to hustle to be worthy. You don't have to chase to be chosen. You don't have to grind to receive. Let it be easy. Let it be light. Let it be lazy. This has been The Lazy Girl's Guide to Manifesting, Effortless Wealth and Love. Now go practice one tiny ritual today and watch what unfolds. You've got this.